It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am participating in a collaboration with my crafting sister, Malinda, over at All Things Home on a Budget. And today we are to create a floral arrangement design using only greenery. For me, I ended up creating 3 different designs for your viewing pleasure. So let's get into DIY number 1. So I'm taking this wooden basket that I purchased or thrifted from Guardian Angel Thrift Store in Fuquay Arena, North Carolina. I am just doing a refresh on this by taking this nautical rope that you can find at the Dollar Tree and outlining the basket or this bowl with this rope. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. I pray that you've had a great week. I know that I haven't given you a long form video in a while, but I had to participate in this collaboration to support my crafting sister. Again, this is a collaboration video wherein I am to create a greenery floral design, and the host of this collaboration is Malinda with All Things Home on a Budget. So make sure you go and check out her channel. And as you can see, I have finished outlining the bowl with this rope, and now I'm just trimming the edges and the handles with some of the brown jute rope that you can also find at the Dollar Tree. Now, don't even pay attention to the rugged edge of this because it's still going to turn out very cute. I cannot wait for you guys to see how each one of these projects turned out in the reveal. Again, keep in mind that this video is part of a collaboration with my crafting sister, Malinda, at All Things Home on a Budget. You may be familiar with Malinda because she also has a crafting channel, The Crafty Doll. So make sure you check out both of her channels and make sure you are subscribed so you can get some of this good old content that she be giving us on a weekly basis. So now you see I've taken the floor foam, glued it down to the base of this bowl, and now I am just taking some random greenery that I purchased from some came from, I think these all, as a matter of fact, came from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has been putting out great florals lately. I'm not sure if any of my crafting sisters and brothers have noticed that, but they have really been stepping up their game when it comes to giving you good or selling good quality florals. At least I can say that for the ones that's in my area. So guys, what have you been up to? What have you been up to? Joy's just been working a lot of hours and just trying to give you content when I can. So guys, let's talk about Malinda, my crafting sister. As mentioned, she has 2 channels, The Crafty Doll, where she creates beautiful home decor, floral arrangement, and she creates all the things that she's going to style on her second channel, All Things Home on a Budget. And when you see and witness how she transforms her home using items that she created, then it will make you take a second look at the money that you're spending at some of the higher end stores to acquire a look that others have. So check out Malinda. You won't be disappointed. Now let's head into DIY number 2. So this is basically a refresh. You've seen this on my channel before. And so basically I just added another coat of that black paint. It is a Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. And once I reapplied the paint, I made sure that I dried the paint. I didn't want the paint to get on my florals, so I had to make sure that this whole planter was dry. This is another planter that I actually purchased from Guardian Angel thrift store. So if you've just take advantage of your thrift stores and just look at things through a creative lens, and just when you're looking at things at the thrift stores, just look at it and say, what can I make out of this? And I tell you, I have made a lot of pretty trash to treasure items, and you can check out the playlist for my trash to treasures and you can be the judge. Again, all I'm doing is just adding paint, and now I'm just taking some more of that Greenery floor picks that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am just styling them inside of this planter. This has a small opening, but hey, I was going to put as many as I can. I like full planters, and that's why I did what I did. So let's head on to the last DIY. This came from the plastic section, the plastic party wear that Dollar Tree sells. Yes, another Dollar Tree item. And I basically just using that same Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. I did use 2 of these containers to be able to style my greenery in, and I can promise you that I love the classy look that black brings to your home decor. So consider adding black somewhere in your home decor styling. I just think it looks really, really good. And as mentioned, I used 2 of these bottles that you can get from the party section. And now we are into the reveal, guys. I think this turned out super cute. It's cute, as well as full of greenery. You guys got to let me know how you feel about each one of these projects. You also got to let me know if you will be recreating them. I think it's a very easy, budget-friendly decor pieces. I mean, the most I've spent on these 3 all together is less than $15, and to style these for less than $15 is super amazing. And as you can see in that third DIY, I did use onion grass to style this. Guys, remember this video is a part of the collaboration with Malinda, my crafting sister, over at All Things Home on a Budget. Make sure you check out the playlist that will be listed in the description section of this video, as well pinned to the comments. Show her some support, and if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And until the next DIY, bye for now.